my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Zilliqa coin. What's the price since gold and Zilliqa coin? What's the high price, what's the current price, and what is the next target of Zilliqa coin? In this video I will show you, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest videos and updates about cryptocurrency markets. As you can see now on the it is the live price predictions of the 15 April. You are watching now the last one day price prediction. The change occurred in Zilliqa coin as in positive 5.03%. Absolutely a good change. I like this change because I'm also a holder of Zilliqa coin. That is why I'm very happy to see this kind of changes. And the high price of Zilliqa coin as $0.21159 USD dollar is the high price of Zilliqa coin in the last one day, friends. If we look at the price prediction chart of the Zilliqa coin, so absolutely a high jump occurred in Zilliqa coin in the last 12 hours, as you can see here. And if we look at the current situation of Zilliqa coin, so as you can see here, now they are again after a small first day again starting jumping. So now let's see the last 1 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 1 hour? What's the currently status of Zilliqa coin in a crypto market? As you can see here, absolutely a good change occurred in Zilliqa coin. The positive 0.85% change occurred in the last 1 hour in the Zilliqa coin. So I'm very happy to see this kind of changes. The high price of Zilliqa as $0.19824 USD dollar is the high price of Zilliqa coin in the last 1 hour, friends. If we look the currently price prediction, the currently price of the Zilliqa coin, so the currently price of Zilliqa coin as $0.19824 USD dollar is the current price of Zilliqa coin. And now currently at this time the status of Zilliqa coin is a moving upward, an explosion mode of Zilliqa coin at this time, friends. So friends, according to the price prediction, that is clear that the Zilliqa coin and the jumping mode, so that is clear for all of you. It is a very simple decision that please hold your Zilliqa coin with the last of this month, because this month as the explosion month of the Zilliqa coin, so please hold your Zilliqa coin. The next target, the big pump of the Zilliqa coin are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.